Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best RV washer-dryer combo. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The Nedura washer-dryer countertop is a premium organization solution designed in the USA to transform the tops of standard front-load appliances into a functional workspace. Crafted from eco-friendly tropical bamboo, this durable topper is naturally resistant to scratches, water, and heat, capable of supporting up to 250 pounds. The innovative design features curved edge rails to keep folding clothes and accessories from slipping, while integrated rubber anti-vibration pads reduce noise and protect your machines. Assembly is remarkably efficient, requiring no tools or screws due to a secure snap-on system complemented by anti-slip pads. Measuring 54 inches wide, this sleek black countertop maximizes utility in the laundry room, providing a steady surface for sorting, folding, or organizing supplies. Number 4. The Panda 1.34 cubic feet. Portable washing machine offers a sophisticated, fully automatic laundry solution tailored for apartments, condos, and smaller households. This compact powerhouse handles up to 10 pounds of laundry, featuring a durable, rust-resistant stainless steel drum and a stylish sapphire blue transparent lid for easy monitoring. Users can customize their cleaning experience with 10 versatile wash programs and 5 adjustable water levels, ensuring efficiency for everything from heavy-duty loads to quick refreshes. Integrated smart technology, including auto unbalance detection and child lock protection, provides peace of mind during operation. Designed for effortless setup, the unit connects directly to standard faucets and includes a built-in drain pump for hassle-free water removal. By combining a space-saving design with high-efficiency performance, this washer streamlines the garment care process while delivering professional-grade results in any living environment. Number 3. The Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine offers a practical and efficient laundry solution, perfectly suited for homes where space is at a premium. This dual-function unit features a twin tub design that allows you to wash and spin dry simultaneously, significantly reducing the time spent on household chores. With a generous 20-pound total capacity, comprising a 12-pound wash tub and an 8-pound spin dryer, it easily handles small to medium loads with professional-grade power. The semi-automatic system provides total control over your laundry, featuring adjustable timers for both the 300-bar wash cycle and the 110-bar spin cycle. Crafted from durable materials, this lightweight machine is easy to move and store as needed. It includes a built-in filter net to keep the tub clean and a cover plate to ensure stability during high-speed spinning, delivering a reliable, hassle-free experience for every load. Number 2. The Barton Portable Compact Washer offers a streamlined laundry solution for those living in apartments, dorms, or smaller households. This top-loading machine is designed for maximum efficiency, featuring a dual-function system that handles both washing and spin drying in one space-saving unit. With an 8.8-pound capacity, it is perfectly suited for managing daily essentials and light loads without the need for a full-sized laundry room. An integrated drain pump simplifies water removal, allowing for a cleaner and more convenient operation in various settings. Users can easily customize their laundry routine through the intuitive button interface and dedicated cycle timers, ensuring each load receives the appropriate care. Weighing 32 pounds, the unit remains manageable for relocation or storage when not in use. This portable washer provides reliable cleaning power and consistent performance, making it a practical addition to any modern, space-conscious home. Number 1. The Della Portable Mini Washing Machine. In classic white, offers a versatile and compact laundry solution for those in apartments, dorms, or smaller living spaces. This top-loading combo unit features an 11-pound washer capacity, making it well-suited for handling daily essentials and light loads with ease. Designed for efficiency, it integrates both a washing tub and a high-performance spin dryer to streamline your laundry routine. The intuitive touch control system allows for precise management of drain and spin cycles, ensuring your clothes are treated with care. Despite its generous internal capacity, the machine remains lightweight at just 20 pounds, allowing for easy mobility and storage when not in use. Meeting CSA specifications for safety and performance, this portable washer delivers reliable cleaning power and consistent results, proving that you do not need a full-sized laundry room to maintain a fresh wardrobe.